So, my career has been mostly in engineering and aerospace. So I spent a lot of time working in industrial settings, factories, manufacturing plants. So I kind of naturally am inclined towards working in that type of environment. I think it's a lot of fun. I got involved in Baghouse.com in 2022 when I took over the company through a very kind of fortuitous chain of events. It just so happened that I was looking for something outside of aerospace and engineering. This company was out there, and I met Dave, the previous owner. I met Dominic, and the stars kind of aligned in a sense that there was this great business that was a little different from what I'd worked in the past, but it really lined up well with my own personal interests and experience in terms of industrial equipment, engineering, manufacturing, and industrial customer base. And so it just seemed like a lot of fun, and it turned out that is in fact the case. It is a lot of fun.